Dr. Mahrang Baloch is a human rights activist from Balochistan, Pakistan. She has recently been nominated for the 2025 Nobel Peace Prize. As the head of Baloch Solidarity Committee, she has dedicated years to advocating for social justice and human rights in Balochistan. She actively speaks out against enforced disappearances and extrajudicial killing of Baloch people. In 2024, she was recognized by the BBC and Times Magazine as one of the world's 100 most inspiring and influential women. The news of her arrest is deeply alarming. We urge all human organizations worldwide to take immediate action for her release and that of her fellow activists. Please, mere condemnation is not enough. We need to see real action. Free Dr. Mahrang Baloch.